All right, what's going on, everybody? How you guys doing? Welcome to fxpartner.com, where our goal is to be able to help you to become a safe yet profitable trader. What we're looking at right now is EURUSD. When it comes to EURUSD, we're still looking in the same exact range. It's been going pretty slow, and it's in this level of consolidation based upon you could say based upon the daily and the weekly time frame. Definitely the daily, but let me see on weekly how that looks. Yeah, I guess you could say um, on the weekly, kind of, but it's just a continuation to this downside. Um, when it comes to the daily, you can be able to definitely see a little bit more consolidation. Price pushed back up to this level of resistance when it comes to this daily key level that we have, and then we have a continuation of lower lows and lower highs that are forming. And what we're looking for is the series continuation right now. And what I mean by the series continuation, where we won't see this level of consolidation anymore. Let's see. But as far as this last candle right here, we see that it closed around this trend line that we have right here. And I'm looking forward for this to continue to the downside. So if anything, this is literally the perfect time for this continuation to the downside that I've been calling for a little bit. When it comes to the H4 time frame, it's at that trend line right now. Now, this is probably the optimal point because the thing is, it's literally right at that trend line, but then at the same time, price only has to go from where it is now to about 50 pips and closing above that 50 pips. So let's say 60 pips of a stop loss, where it's either it stops where it's at right now or it continues and you lose 60 pips, but the risk to reward is still grand, because I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Oh, I got this thing on. I'm going to show you what I mean as far as like this risk to reward. So the risk is 60 pips, which is not bad at all. Now I got all these things. The risk is 60 pips, right? But as far as the reward from where price is currently is pretty nice. I see price going to 1.11111. So let's go ahead and see what the reward could be. About 230 pips as far as our reward to where I believe price will go from where price is currently. So let's look at the M30 time frame and see if we can be able to actually find our entry. Click auto. What we're looking for is a level of support to be broken, and let's look at the hour time frame so that we can be able to see a little bit of a better form of structure, so we can be able to see what area is probably the best area that we're looking for to break. So I guess this area right here, I'm looking for this area right here. Let me make this red so you can be able to see clearly. I want to see this area right here to break this last low right here on this H1 time frame. But definitely if price drops below, what the heck just happened? All right, sorry, my computer went out. All right, my monitor, I mean. If price definitely drops below this 113 area, if price drops below this, let me just show you what I mean. If price drops below this area, then definitely I'm looking for the continuation to the downside. And I'm almost like certain on that one. I'm almost certain on that one. So what I would suggest is to just go ahead and just watch this a little closely, because definitely by, I'm just putting an alert on this, no. Definitely by tonight, move should happen, if this is the move that it's supposed to happen. So, yeah, okay. So I'm looking for price to push below this last low, right? And once it pushes below this last low, what it will do is it's going to retrace. right? And then from there, once it retraces, what's going to happen is you're going to look for a bearish engulfing pattern to form um, on the M30 or the H1 time frame. Right? A bearish engulfing pattern to form once it retraces, and then from there I'm going to look for the continuation of this downside move to 1.11111. So that's what I'm going to be looking for. All right. So hopefully that made sense to you when it comes to EURUSD. This is honestly pretty simple. If price decides to continue past this area, that'll be kind of annoying if it continues, because the trend line is literally right now. So I would hope that it does not pass this, because then we got to wait a little bit longer. But I guess we'll see. So hopefully that made sense to you. If something clicked, or if you liked anything, if anything, go on fxpronow.com. Again, fxpronow.com. And when you go into fxpronow.com, we literally have a simple 3-step system to help you to become a FX Pro Now as well. Step number 1 is just staying connected by getting into our group chat in our Facebook group. What I'll do is I'll go ahead and actually send that to your email once you put your email in. And then from there, step number 2 is to go ahead and actually subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can be able to follow what we're doing on a weekly basis, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We go on live doing sessions just like this. We call them This Week in the Markets. And then from there, step number 3, if you like what you see and if you want to be able to learn from us, we have a course that's called the You Are the Indicator course that you can be able to go ahead and check out. We have a whole bunch of stories of people that have gone ahead and actually taken the course already, and I would challenge you to go ahead and actually watch those and see if there's somebody that you can relate with. All right, guys. So I greatly appreciate your time, and again, let's become FX Pro Now together. Let's get it. Peace.